Highest single day spike of 16,922 COVID-19 cases and 418 deaths reported in India in the last 24 hours. Positive cases in India increases to 4,73,105, including 1,86,514 active cases. 2,71,697 people have been cured and discharged. 14,894 deaths reported across the country. Karnataka also reports 397 cases, taking the total tally to 10,118 cases. The state has 3,799 active cases and a total number of over 160 COVID-19 related deaths reported in the state. Bengaluru reports 173 new COVID-19 cases and 5 deaths in the last 24 hours. Total number of cases in the city has climbed to 1,124. Death toll in Bengaluru has also increased to 78. Questions over lockdown in Karnataka amidst increase in COVID-19 cases. State government to take a final call today after a meeting in Chief Minister's home office with experts and members of COVID-19 task force comes to an end.
ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಈ ಪಿಡುಗು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ರೀತಿಯ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೆಲವು ಏರಿಯಾಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಸೀಲ್ ಡೌನ್ ಸಹ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ.
Meanwhile, Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa also says COVID cases in Bengaluru are increasing. Also adds that all measures will be taken to flatten the curve.
ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಕ್ಷದ ಶಾಸಕರು ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಸಚಿವರು ಕೃಷ್ಣಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ 12 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಸೇರಿ ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆನೂ ಸಮಾಲೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯವನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು ಬಿಗಿ ಕ್ರಮ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ.
Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa calls for an all-party meet with Bengaluru MLAs as cases are increasing in the city. Chief Minister to discuss and take their opinions before going ahead and taking a final call and decision on the lockdown. Meanwhile, over 8 lakh SLC students appeared for exams in the state amidst COVID-19 fear. All the students wore masks and underwent thermal screening at examination centers. The government also provided N95 masks for those students who were unwell. Over 7,000 police personnel were also deployed across the states to ensure SLC exams are conducted with no problem. Even as the first exam of the SLC students came to an end, no social distancing was seen outside examination centers. Parents waiting for their children outside the examination centers started crowding them. Authorities also found it difficult to disperse the crowd. Common man continues to bear the brunt as fuel prices have been hiked for the 19th consecutive day in India. Diesel prices crosses 80 rupees mark in Delhi and currently stands at 80 rupees 2 paise per litre, which has seen an increase by over 0.14 paise per litre. Petrol prices in the national capital has increased to 79 rupees 92 paise per litre, seeing an increase of 16 paise per litre. And the number of COVID-19 cases around the world have crossed a grim milestone of 9.4 million mark, recording 94,05,800 cases. 4,82,128 people have lost their lives due to the deadly pandemic. 47,21,594 people have recovered from the deadly virus. US continues to remain the worst affected COVID-19 country, recording 23,80,452 COVID-19 cases.